Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel and to my unboxing and assembly video. I hope you enjoy. Also, please feel free to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. That helps the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. And I'll see you in my next video. Now, before you even consider assembling your new chair, I would suggest you check your parts. Remove all parts from the box, checking that none of the parts are missing. Assemble the chair on the foam sheet provided to protect your floor. This only applies if you have laminated wood flooring. You're good if you have carpet like myself. Having a friend to help can make the assembly process easier. However, I did just fine by myself. Truth be told, in the upcoming video, you'll notice that I had to stop the video to get the first screw in. Other than that, it was a piece of cake. However, saying that, Secretlab does state that if you have any issues to contact them directly if you're experiencing any issues. So here we go. And before I forget, I wanted to let you guys know that this awesome content creator, who also does a lot of streaming on her channel, is known as SickAsFrick21. It was actually her who introduced me to this very chair, and I'm glad she did. Go and check out her channel, and when you do, let her know I sent you. Firstly, place the wheelbase upside down and insert all 5 casters into the wheelbase. Then once you have done that, turn the wheelbase right side up and insert the hydraulic piston. Then, slide the piston sleeves over the piston. Right, now that is done, remove all 4 pre-installed M8 screws from the sides of the backrest. Gently slide the backrest into the right recline bracket. Secure with the M8 screws halfway. Align the left recline bracket and tighten all M8 screws fully on both sides. When you have that done, install the recline side covers. They will magnetically snap into place. Remove the recline strap and safety tab with the Phillips screwdriver provided. Lift and gently set the chair facing downwards as shown. Then, insert the lever handles into the shafts by lining up the grooves. Then, attach the multi-tilt mechanism in the correct orientation as shown to the seat base with 4M8 screws and tighten fully. Then, attach the wheelbase by inserting the hydraulic piston into the multi-tilt mechanism socket. Now, carefully tilt the chair upright while holding onto the wheelbase. The first time I actually did this, the wheelbase came off. You have to really push it in to stay in place. Then, install the armrest tops onto the armrests. They will magnetically snap into place. Then, finally, ensure that all parts are secured and functioning. Here is the new Titan Evo Soda Purple Gaming Chair from Secretlab. And here is the absolutely amazing Titan Evo Soda Purple Gaming Chair in all its glory. I will be honest, it was a struggle putting this together, but I think I did well as a solo. I just simply love the fabric and, of course, the soda purple color of both the chair and the magnetic pillow. It goes so well together. I just love how well the magnetic pillow just magnetizes itself to the back of the chair and in its perfect position too. Okay, now time for a quick spin, and to note if you have an iOS or Android phone that has an NFC built in, then simply connect the back of your phone to this NFC tag on the back of the seat, and it will let you know that your chair is authentic. If you enjoyed watching this video, please help a guy out by liking, subscribing, and even commenting on this video telling me if you also own one. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.